Welcome to Folks Finance. Today, we're going to explore the powerful Ultraswap feature that lets you seamlessly swap tokens and loop loans for maximum market exposure. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Folks Finance platform. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, make sure to do so. On the main dashboard, click on the Ultraswap button. This will take you to the Ultraswap interface where you can choose your desired actions. Ultraswap allows you to perform up, down, or convert actions. These options give you flexibility depending on your market strategy. Let's start with opening and up position. Select Drop and choose the token you want to interact with. For this example, we'll use Algo. Enter the quantity of Algo you want to use. Then, set your operation multiplier. The multiplier allows you to control a larger position with minimal capital. For instance, a 2x multiplier means you control a position worth twice your input. Next, select whether you want a stable or variable annual percentage yield, APY. This gives you control over your interest rate exposure. Once everything is set, click Open Up and confirm the transaction with your wallet. Your Ultraswap position is now active. Now, let's see how to close a position. Go to see your Ultraswap positions, select the position you want to close, and click the bin icon. Confirm the closure and sign the transaction with your wallet. Your position is now closed, and you've completed the Ultraswap cycle. Ultraswap on Folks Finance offers unparalleled flexibility and efficiency in managing your DeFi investments. Explore more features and start optimizing your portfolio today.